How to navigate the app. When we open the DSDApp, here in the upper left hand side, we're going to see all of the menu bar. In the menu bar, we can find the new case. This is how you're going to open a new case, with patient documentation being our first step. Here in new case, we can also do 2D analysis and simple smile simulation. We can also do smile app source and the before and after layout for a quick and easy access of the before and after layout. Then we can find my cases, where we're going to find all of our patients' information and all of our patients' records. Okay, this is where you're going to open your new cases and start smile simulations. In the Try Me option, we're going to find some patients that the app has included in the free version in order for you to practice how to create beautiful smile simulations. Now, moving on to tutorials, we are going to find a step-by-step tutorial on how to use the app, how to create a smile design, and any help videos and information that you may need. Here you're going to find information such as how to take pictures, how to position the camera, and how to perform the simple smile simulation. Moving on to the DSD News. DSD News is where you're going to find the DSD updates that are happening around the world. So we're going to have an updated schedule of the DSD updates that are happening in all of the continents. In DSD content, we're going to find presentations that Dr. Christian Coachman has shared with us, and you have full access to all of his presentations here in the DSD content tab. We also have a direct connection to the DSD Planning Center, where you have a one-step access to the Planning Center's website. You can also have access to a chat where you can chat with people that has the DSD app. Going back to the menu, we can find the account. This is where you can update your information, update your password, upload the clinic logo and the clinic name, and change your language for the app. Also, in the account, we have a DSD Planning Center user account where you have to enter your information from the DSD Planning Center. Finally, here in account also, we have the DSD and Invisalign non-disclosure agreement if you're interested in participating in the Invisalign beta testing for the DSD app. Okay, so you would find it in the account and you sign and type your name and send it to them. Also in the menu, very important, is in the last line, you see the version of the app, and make sure to check for the upgraded and latest version of the DSD app. Here you can see my version is DSD v1.7.4, and this is the latest version of the DSD app that we have right now.